Hello, my name is Dalen Lawrence, CEO of Unity Controls. Thank you for watching. Our YouTube channel is for people that own or manage facilities and want to know more about Unity Controls. In this video, we will show that if you don't dynamically control your building pressure, your air purification system is not going to work. Let's take a look. Here is how air is supposed to flow. The pressure is slightly positive, not too much, just a little. All the fresh air you need comes through the outside air hoods and then through the air purifying filters, providing clean air to your employees and customers. When windows and doors open, the air tends to slowly leave the building, and that helps keep dust and bugs out. Next, the return air is being drawn up from the space below and includes air from humans coughing and sneezing and talking. It's drawn up through the air registers and goes back through the HVAC cabinet. It meets up and mixes with new filtered outside air, and then goes through the filters again. So air should flow evenly without resistance and without being forced out of doors and windows. It's building pressure that determines that air continually runs through the purification system. Okay, so now we're cooking. This is what we want to happen. But the opposite is negative pressure. This means that outside unfiltered air is being sucked into your space every time a door or window opens. Let me give you an example. Kitchen exhaust systems take air out of the building. There's a reliance on hoods to draw out air above cooking grills and fry vats. Some restaurants use the HVACs as the makeup air system. In other restaurant types, they may have dedicated makeup air units, but the same problems occur. The HVACs need to bring in the proper amount of air to offset what's happening in the kitchen and in the building to keep pressure balanced. When this gets off, when these things go out of whack, when the pressures become incorrect, what often happens is the kitchen and the building go negative. The negative air is drawn aggressively to the exhaust hoods. When the hood is drawing air, they must get makeup air from somewhere. If the HVACs are not producing it, then it has to come from everywhere else. And everywhere else is doorways, windows, the building framework, the attic space above the ceiling. All kinds of bad air is coming into your building now. Okay, so now your building is negative, and all the outside air will want to go directly to the hood system. It's going to flow directly over the counter, past the people working, past the people standing in line, and past the people at the registers, going straight for the hood system. Likewise, the person working the drive-through window has people pulling up in their cars and they're talking to them, and the air is sucking in through the window. The air in that person's car wants to come in through the drive-through window, right past the employee. The implication is you may be exposing the team member to higher risks. The air needs to be flowing slightly out of that window, not in the window. This is vital. So what's the solution? Unity constantly records and monitors building pressure using a differential air pressure sensor. We know what the building pressure is every minute of every day. Unity dynamically adjusts and makes changes to the amount of air being brought through the outside air duct. The amount of air needed constantly changes over time. It changes as filters get dirty, as fan speeds change, or load changes based on what's going on in the space or outside temperature. All these things impact what's happening with pressure, even in a building that's already been properly set up for building pressure. I hope you now understand how important maintaining building pressure is to consistently delivering clean air. It's just one component of the clean air system. Hi, if you liked this video, go ahead and smash the like button. And if you want to be alerted to when new content becomes available, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you want more information, you can come find us at www.unity-controls.com or go ahead and find me on LinkedIn and let's connect. Thanks a lot. See you soon.